Hello guys. We're trying. Subok lang. Subok lang ng subok. Mahirap pero best thing we can do is try and try and try. Look at the goal, which is to be healthier, not for myself, but for my family. So ang favorite natin itong stationary bike. One of the visits we had sa US in 2012 yata yun, sa California. I used to bike every day. 1 in the morning, tapos isa sa hapon. So roughly around, thinking mga 6 kilometers balikan. So that's 12 a day. Yun naman hindi intentional. Ano lang talaga, part of, instead of magkotse, nagbabike. Kasi ang ganda rin ng bike day, yung the routes, yung ruta ng bike dun eh. May sakalye, merong hindi siya trail eh, pero gilid pa ng golf course, gilid ng school, it's tapos hilly, hindi siya patag lang. So na-enjoy ko lang siya, hindi ko iniisip na magpapapayat or something. Pero grabe yun, pumet ako dun. So ngayon dito, buong gym, ito lang ginagawa ko. Nagbabike lang. At saka minsan yung ito. Yan. Minsan yan. Ayoko nung tawag dyan, treadmill. Tamad eh. Pero itong bike, enjoy. So yun, let's see. Okay. And that ends our session for today. So naka 3 sessions tayo ng bike, iba-ibang distance, iba-ibang duration. So that's a good session. Bukas ulit. God bless guys.